So we are on the way to the Metro Detroit Car Club season opener. However, we ran into traffic. We do got a dark horse behind us though. Look at these bitches. That's a Supra, bro. Look at that lowrider. And there's another Supra. We got a Supra pulling up. We got a new CA Vet. There's a C7 right here on the other side. I think we got a whippled Hellcat. Yeah, whippled wide body Hellcat. We might have a Cuda coming out. We got 3 cars from SRT Fierce Camp. But y'all can see this Supra over here. Yes, sir. It's a vibe. And if y'all don't know, this is the Metro Detroit Car Club. Me and my buddy Devin run it. If y'all want to pop out, pop out. Don't do no dumb shit. It's parking chills. We'll have events where we do dumb shit. But that's at those events. It's a time and a place. So if you're local to Metro Detroit, pop on out. We got good vibes. All right, y'all. Let's see what's going on. A beautiful lowrider. What up, what up? Hell yeah. We got everything. Yeah, it's like that one. A C6, the magazine.
Where was that?
Beautiful, beautiful. I wonder what type of power it makes. Got our C506, beautiful. CTSV. My bad, guys. I kind of lost my voice a little bit. I get it back. This Monte Carlo is sick. That car is rolling in about a second. Beautiful Supra. Look at that carbon lip. It's dancing. Got another Supra. Another Supra. Another Supra. Switch a little bit. Hell yeah. That turbo could eat my foot. It's a beautiful Supra. Look at the blow-up valves. Drive-by cable, bro.
Old school.
That motor's clean. There's Ron. C2. Beautiful C2. Carrera 4S. Y'all heard Ron pull up. Very beautiful Impala SS. Beautiful. Here's his homie with the CTSV. Well, we just had a Magnum SRT8 roll in. I'm trying to get a clear video of it. Paddy wagon. SRT Jeep. The wide body is crazy. So this Mark III 2JZ, beautiful manifold on it, giant turbo, amazing. I want to go for a ride. Right-hand drive as well. This car is official. Ron's car, Mr. SRT here. That's beautiful. The paint on this thing. Beautiful. Beautiful car. 400 horsepower. Off this way, going on shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why I go, as long as I be good. Pipe and they're making 600 to 800 horsepower. This car is insane though. I was looking at it earlier, it catches your eye. Love that. Bro, shaking the roof. Hell yeah! This makes over 1,200 to the tire. 427 with a 3-liter whistle. Damn, I haven't even got to check this out yet. Beautiful truck, Brody. He hit that one. Oh, SRT 10. God damn, dog. Mark 4's rolling out. Don't get ran over. Pick up my pants, bro. Beautiful Shelby. Y'all saw his traction control kick in? Hit the brakes on his ass. Fox body lineup back here with a CTSV. Viper truck, Caprice PVV, beautiful Mustang, Hellcat wide body. Here we go. We got the McLaren. 570S. Yes, sir, 570S. Ooh. Bro, it's the Joker combination too. That shit goes crazy. We got the N3, right? Yeah. Oh, okay, there we go. That's great. Okay, sir. Then there's this home. All right. We love this. He's sick. Here's an SRT 10. Yeah. It's nasty. New S650. Swing around this way, you good? These S650 sound nice. You don't got the long tubes on it yet. It don't sound like everybody else. You're on the Beelocks. Buddy's getting loose on the V-Locks. Them 315s ain't warmed up yet, bro. Them are VMS. Can play. So when I play, I play. Which is understandable. Bro, that wood panel goes crazy. Bro, the T-top. Bro, what? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I love these Mark 5 Supras. What's he got going on? He swapped that V6 body. Oh yeah, that turbo spool was nice. Now there's this big dude. What? Yeah, this is a night in Metro Detroit. You know what I'm saying? They got that suspension dialed.